Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you this new nerf blaster I got. It's fully automatic. As you can see, there's an on button right here. And you can turn it off if you don't want it to be fully automatic. Right now I have it off. This is a handle because it's really heavy and you have to hold it. It's the ammo box right here. I'm gonna open it so you can see all the ammo. One second. Ooh. Hey. This can be hard. There we go. So, yeah. You can see it stores, a lot of ammo. Whoa! Yeah, you get the point. Okay. So, crap. Ouch. Okay. So, yeah, it has a tripod right here. And, when you reload, you have to, hold this back here. It's already loaded. And, this is the trigger and everything. The batteries go right here. And, let me see. I had to build all this. I had to put it together. You can, see, that's where the bullets come out. And, this thing comes off. Yeah, this does too. Whatever. You get. And, yeah. So it's cool. I just wanted to show you that because, I just got it today.